In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to insert page breaks in Google Docs. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips. To add a page break, place your cursor where you want the new page to start. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, choose Break, and then select Page Break. Instantly, your content after the cursor moves to a new page. You can also use a keyboard shortcut for this. On Windows, press Ctrl Enter, and on Mac, press Command Enter. Both will quickly insert a page break without going through the menu. Now, a common question is, what if my pages are stuck together and I can't separate them? In most cases, this happens because you've been pressing the Enter key multiple times instead of using an actual page break. To fix this, simply delete those extra blank lines and insert a page break instead. This ensures that your pages stay properly separated no matter how you edit your document. Also, if you don't see the page break option under Insert Break, that means your document is in pageless format. To fix it, go to Format, switch to Pages format, and then the page break option will appear. And that's it. You now know how to add, manage, and fix page breaks in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs guides.